This weekend, NASA will launch the Parker Solar Probe, a spacecraft to the sun. Research hope the spacecraft will give us an unprecedented look at the sun and, by extension, our solar system. RT's Anya Parampil is here with details.
Holland, the Parker Solar Probe is scheduled to lift off at precisely 3:33 a.m. on Saturday, August 11th. The nearly 63-foot-tall probe's mission is to go where no spacecraft has ever gone before, directly into the sun's atmosphere. Parker is designed to travel a mere 4 million miles from the sun's surface and will detect energy particles emitted by the giant star, giving scientists new insight into its atmosphere. Here's Princeton physicist David McComas explaining why scientists are so interested in getting close to the sun.
By going in close and measuring the detailed distributions of these energetic particles, their energies, directions, and their species, we're going to learn things that we couldn't possibly learn by looking forever from a remote distance. And by understanding our sun in detail, we can understand lots of other stars in much greater detail.
Considering we ultimately live in the sun's atmosphere, Parker could eventually allow scientists to forecast weather here on Earth more accurately. Scientists also say understanding solar winds will help them protect power lines and equipment on Earth, which are sometimes damaged or destroyed by changes in the winds, which shake the Earth's magnetic field. In simpler terms, NASA says, quote, until we can explain what is going on up close to the sun, we will not be able to accurately predict space weather effects that can cause havoc at Earth. Parker will travel an impressive 430,000 miles per hour, which, according to NASA, is fast enough to go from Philadelphia to Washington, D.C. in 1 second. Parker is equipped with a thermal protection system and cooling system, and is protected by a 160-pound shield of carbon painted in white in order to reflect the sun's scorching heat. And Holland, considering the spacecraft will be enduring temperatures up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a bit like what we've been experiencing here in D.C. lately, that protection is going to come in handy.
SPF 12 trillion. RT's Anya Parampil. During a 2-year investigation, there were secret recordings, White House resignations and firings, and tell-all witnesses. Then, on this date, in 1974, history happened.
I shall resign the presidency effective at noon tomorrow. Vice President Ford will be sworn in as president at that hour in this office.
Richard Nixon became the first president of the United States to resign. And that's the evening news from RT America. I'm Holland Cook in Washington, and I am at Holland Cook on Twitter, where if you follow me, I'll follow you. We'll see you back here tomorrow night.